Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles on Discord. First, open your Discord application and navigate to the server where you wish to create new roles. Click on the server name at the top left, then select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will open a new window displaying various server management options. From here, you can begin the process of setting up your custom roles. Once in Server Settings, click on the Roles tab located on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of existing roles, if any. To add a new one, simply click the Create Role button. A new role entry will appear, allowing you to give it a unique name like Moderator or Member. Don't forget to pick a vibrant color to make it stand out in the member list. After naming your role, it's time to configure its permissions. Scroll through the extensive list of options, enabling or disabling specific abilities such as manage channels, kick members, or send messages. Consider what each role needs to do versus what it shouldn't. Take your time to review each setting thoroughly to ensure your server remains secure and organized. Remember to save your changes. To assign a role, right-click on a member's name in the server, select Roles, and then check the box next to the desired role. You can also manage role hierarchy by dragging and dropping roles in the Roles tab. Higher roles have more power. This helps maintain order and ensures permissions function correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to stay refreshed throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.